to eyeshadow, I noticed a lot of makeup looks, they rarely wear eyeshadow. So instead of eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with the bronzer that I used. I'm gonna place that all over my eyes. So we're basically just tying in the eye makeup look with the nose contour. So I went ahead and applied eyelashes, and we went with some really big fluffy lashes. For the US side, a very popular eye makeup look is the smoky wing. I'm just using black eyeshadow and filling in my wing. And then if you have hooded eyes, of course, we have to apply the inner corner wing. And then I'm gonna go in with a transition shade on my crease. Now, of course, we cannot forget some eyeliner. So I'm just gonna use that to line the outer part, just to give the smoky eye a little bit more dimension. I just popped on some wispy lashes. I'm gonna go in with some highlighter. And I'm gonna apply this on the highest points of my cheekbones to bring that nice glow to my skin. There's always something about that glowy button nose. I always skip this part with my makeup looks because I feel like it's not necessary, but sometimes I feel like it looks really nice, especially when your eyebrows are really filled in. Now I'm gonna place a little bit on this side as well. I feel like for the US side, it's normally more dewy than glowy. So when it comes to lips, I feel like for both sides, you need a lip liner. So I'm just gonna line my whole lip. And for the UK side, you definitely need a matte lip and more of a brown shade. So I'm gonna place it on half my lip. But on the US side,
to go to Christmas, and I'm going to show you a look that doesn't take too long, but also has a sparkly twist. And the best thing is, most of these products you can get from your local makeup store. Start by concealing your eyes. I'm using a Max Factor concealer to do this, and then blend that in. Next, I'm using a Rimmel London palette. You can get these palettes anywhere, and I'm applying a light brown to the crease of my eye. Then I'm going in with a nude and applying that to the centre of my eyelid, and you want to make sure that's all blended in. With a different Rimmel London palette, I'm applying a brown to the edge of my eye. Now it's time for the eyeliner. I find it easier to draw it out with eyeshadow with an angled brush before applying liquid eyeliner. I just find it easier and neater for me, and it just makes it less stressful. Just make however long you want. I got this liquid eyeliner from Superdrug. It was quite cheap, to be fair, and all I'm doing now is just applying it on top of the eyeliner that I drew on. If you've gone into the black eyeliner, then just simply get it back out and just neaten it up to correct it. Then it's time to complete your face as you normally would. I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Foundation and blending that in with the Beauty Blender. I've then gone in with some concealer on top of my face, added my setting powder, and of course my lashes. Now back to the eyes. Using the first shade from the first palette, I'm applying that to my under eye and then applying my mascara. And that's pretty much it for the eyes. Apply the rest of your makeup as you would your favourite blush, highlighter, and then it's onto the lips. I used a light pink lipstick because I don't want it to be too over the top for Christmas Day. And then I've gone in with a clear pink lip gloss by L'Oreal. And there it is. Your daytime Christmas look is complete. It's cute, it's simple, it doesn't take a lot of time, and it's something different. If you're planning to give it a go this Christmas, let me know in the comment section.